Congrats Akash for your success.
Thank you, sir.
So how was your experience with BRN?
Yeah, BRN, it was like very good experience. I like learned many things here. Uh, Basically speaking, anyone who wants to get a technical job, a domain respective job, so I recommend everyone, those people to come here and like have their chances.
Okay.
Yes.
What's your academics?
Yeah, it's BTech,
Okay.
computer science.
Year of passed out?
2013.
Okay.
Yes.
So what were you doing from all these years?
Like I was doing a marketing job
Okay.
as a marketing executive.
Okay.
I was always trying to get a job in my domain, that is computer science.
Okay.
Yeah, that made me to come to BRN and get succeed.
Okay. How you got this BRN?
Like I came to know through web portals like mail.
Okay.
Mail I got it.
Okay. So how many offers that you have received?
Since like I have received around 6 to 7 offers.
Okay.
Yes.
Have you ever expected this much of success after these many years of gap?
No, so frankly speaking, I never ever expected this.
Okay.
Like, I am very much thankful to BRN.
Okay. What was the highest salary you got and what was the least salary?
Like highest I got 3.40 LPA.
Okay.
And the least I got 2.4 LPA.
Okay, what's the major difference that Akash has been succeeded in such a huge way? So what's the difference actually?
Difference here lies like the practical thing. Here
Okay.
I have joined, and from the day one itself, like I was made to do the programs and every technical thing programmatically,
Okay.
and the practical knowledge which made me to
Okay.
get this thing.
Okay, what kind of major difference that you have been observed from normal trainings to BRN?
Yeah, one thing as like practice.
Okay.
Practice itself, it is one of the prominent factor which differ normal institutes to BRN.
Okay, what do you suggest to the people who are looking for bright careers?
I only search BRN. That's
Okay.
it.
Okay, anyways, thanks for feedback and all the best for your future.
Thank you, sir.